So when do you think we should like drop the next mistake, bro?
Honestly, though, bro, you know, I'm out of here, bro. Nah, for real though, like, well, I see sometime since so far we got like one track done. I see by end of February we should have the mixtape done. That's what I think.
Mine.
Hey,
what about you, Ernest?
Ernest, what do you think?
Since the mixtape is no longer about girls, let's drop it
It's not.
after.
It's not all about girls.
Yeah,
not all
all about. So let's drop it
His
like.
nose stinks for himself.
Stop, man. Like, come on.
Let's drop it after. It wasn't funny. I was
Come on, man. Be serious. Be serious. Stop that.
Hey, it was. Let's drop the mixtape after Valentine's.
After Valentine's?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm down with that, but I mean, niggas have to
No.
double
All right.
work.
What I think. I think that.
How long?
Hey, Shugun got the table now.
Hey,
How long is Valentine's from now?
hey.
It's only like 3 weeks.
I think that we should drop it
It's in 2 weeks.
in March. Alright? Because that means we're gonna have to rush.
Oh yeah.
That's
In
spring.
March. No.
The first day of spring, y'all.
First of the spring.
Alright, another thing.
Dude, don't LA look at the camera.
This
It is true.
is like at the end
Oh,
of February.
let's just finish.
No, alright.
Let's just finish.
Drop that-
We
drop that
finish.
I think we should drop it on President's Day.
When we finish, we finish.
No, let's do. We gotta like extend the date so we can put more work in and do good job on the mixtape.
That's why I said
So I
by the end
thought
of February, we'll see how
Yeah, that's why I
far.
said in
Yeah,
March.
end of February.
February, March.
If we still need more time, then we'll go to spring.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all
Yeah,
good.
so I
We
said
shouldn't
in March.
rush on this one.
We shouldn't drop it. We shouldn't drop it. We should drop it before April. That's what we should do. Drop it before
April
April.
1st.
Yeah,
It's gonna be
we have to
before
drop it before April.
And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be driving then. So
Kevin, what you think?
Driving this year, boy.
Okay.
So you're okay with that, right?
Wait, let's see what Kevin
Okay.
say.
Hey, man. Wait, what did Ernest say?
The drop it, we're gonna March around here.
Before April.
Before April?
Okay, I'm over there.
Yeah, that's a good idea. We should drop it like before March. No, before April.
Yeah.
Before April, cause like dropping it on February 14th, the shit won't sound good. It won't sound good, cause that means we're gonna hurry up. We have 14 more days to do it then.
Alright, another thing is, alright, next topic. Alright, so, no, yeah, in the mixtape, alright, you know how we've been doing this? Do you guys think that we should start talking, like with the no cursing rule? Do you guys still want to do that, or you guys think I should start like
No Christian
cursing, or do you guys think?
Yeah, bro. Ain't nobody gonna sign us if we
Or do
keep
you guys
cussing
think
like
we should
we.
start doing what?
Yeah.
Or you guys,
No, it's starting to air
I think that we should start.
It's going good so far. Forget the cussing. No cussing, man. I'm sorry.
When I rap, I like being free. I don't like having boundaries. I like to
But think about it.
saying how you feeling is gonna have
What's
that.
your rule?
Cursing is.
Age limit, alright. Usually there's a couple of companies really recommend that don't want their teenage cussing after 18. Like one behavior, my behavior, one direction. Low children cussing is 18. Low children don't cuss because they want it's gonna be like we're raising us kids. Teenagers bad.
Nigga, what if your mom hears this shit?
My mom actually listens to the one of our
Oh, me, I just feel good because what do you call it?
I
I used to like be like his because that's this is my song, my own song. Come on now. Come on now.
Yeah.
Even if that what do you call it? Frustrated.
I didn't feel good about cussing, but okay, we're going.
What do you guys say?
In the mixtape, do you guys think that we should like do more stuff for the fans? Because right now, all we're doing is like saying like how our life is. You know,
Real
the
talk.
fans get tired of that.
Yeah, man, they've heard too much about us.
I think that we should. I think that.